Just a quick note before this video starts is that all of these clips are completely out of order. So the first clip is from when I'd returned home from uni, the second clip is from when I was still at uni, and then the last clip is me again being at home from uni. Sorry about that, I got really confused on what order to put them in. Hello and welcome back to another haul. Today I've got a whole bunch of things because I've sent everything home after when I was at uni. So I've got a few things. I got an album I think from a group order and some trades. I'm going to include a slightly older clip after this one just to add that in because I filmed it a while ago. But we'll start with all the letters. Actually no, I'm going to start with the album because I've been wanting to open this for so long. This is the Wavy Takeoff album. I haven't got any scissors or any of my box cutters because I'm not at uni and they're all there. This is Wavy Takeoff and it's from this place on Twitter. They've been really great. The prices are amazing. Very info. Oh god. See, I'm not used to filming here. Now I did put my bias down as 10, so I hope that I've been able to get him. Oh wow, this album is breathtaking. This is so creative. This is one packaging SM's done right. Okay, oh my god, it's 10! I'm so happy. Do I have his photo card? Yes! Oh my god! I got 10 set. Now I don't need to trade. That's incredible. Thank you so much to the people at NCT 7 UK. I'm so grateful. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. I'm actually dying. This album is, like I said, breathtaking. It's beautiful. I'm really starting to fall in love with Wavy. Beautiful. Okay. Thank God. Moving on to the next thing. I hope you can't see her address with that post-it. Okay. I think pretty much all of these are trades. Oh, that's so cute. And it is a 10 photo card from this person on Instagram. They're really sweet and this has arrived so fast. Funny story is I actually bought another Super M album and pulled this photo card that I traded for. So this card will be up for trade for his other version or Baekhyun from Super M, the American version. Moving on to this little one here. I'm sorry if I'm not speaking a lot. I've been traveling all day, coming home from uni. And I just really wanted to open all my stuff, so I'm filming this. And this is Twice Geo. This is a trade with this person on Instagram. She's been really sweet actually, and she sent it out really quickly. I do recommend trading with her. Okay, so this card is interesting because it almost didn't make it here as it arrived fully open at the side, and this person has packaged this card really well. It's just the postal service that's really fucked this one, so I don't blame them at all. This is another Twice card, and most of these are Twice. And this is another Geo card. This is Yes or Yes this time. I decided to collect 3 members of Twice, so that's why there's suddenly different members than Che. And this is the final thing for this haul. I'm not too sure what it is, if I'm honest. Oh, this is a trade. Oh my god, this is so sweet. Oh my god, these are really, really pretty. All of these are absolute bops. I recommend all of these songs as well. Definitely check them out. This is actually my favourite Promise 9 song. And this is her art. Definitely give her a follow and trade with her if you can. This is so, so cute. And that is everything for this haul. There'll be like another clip behind here, but it'll just be a little bit older than this. And that is everything that I got. So thank you for watching. Hello and welcome back to another haul. Today I just have a few letters and an album that I bought in store. They're all open just because I needed to check what they were, and also I was in a lecture and I was really bored, so we'll go on to the letters first. They're all Twice, and one of them is AB6. In fact, this is the AB6 one, and it's from this person on Instagram. She's really, really sweet. I definitely recommend buying from her. This is just a Youngmin scratch card from their most recent album. She always includes such really adorable freebies. Oh, is that Yosa? Wow, that's like a really cute picture of him. And this is the card. There's nothing on the back. And there's so many cards for this AB6 comeback, and can't even. So that's Youngmin. And then there's this one. Just show my address, that's fantastic. This one really peeved me off just a little bit because there's no protection or anything, it's just the envelope. I mean, she did leave a really, really sweet note, and you know, she's a really nice seller, but there was no protection at all. I'm really lucky that these are not damaged. And also this Momo is up to trade for Geo or Dion wishlist on my Instagram, because I've decided I'm going to click my top 3 rather than OT9. And this is the last one. It is also Twice. It is Geo. There's really good protection on this one. I actually got this so cheap, I'm still shook about it. Because these are usually so expensive. And that is all the photo cards. And then we have the album that I went and bought in store. It's 10's Super M album. And with this I got Baekhyun's photo card. And this is up to trade for 10. And that'll be on my Instagram, so my Instagram's in the description if you fancy trading. And that is everything for this clip, and thank you for watching. Hello and welcome to another clip. Today I just have some albums and a photo card. These are all out of their packets already, just because my parents wanted to know what I'd got. Well, I bought these in store and I also got these in a parcel. So to start off, we just have this Daeyeon card from Twistagram. I've been collecting Jihyo and Daeyeon photo cards recently, so I just picked that one up because she was cheap. And so we have these two gfriend albums. We have Laughing Out Loud, well, LOL, and Flowerbird. This completes my earlier album collection of gfriend. I'm finally sort of on my way to finishing G's earlier stuff. And these albums are literally so pretty. Their photo shoots are gorgeous. I didn't expect this photo book to be so thick. I knew it was a thick album, but I think this album has Navilera. Yes, and Navilera is one of my favourite gfriend songs of all time. So I'm really happy to have this album. I'm gonna try and find the Lots of Love version. But the versions are not a massively high priority for me at the moment, since I already have all of MG's photo cards for LOL. And then I just have this Twice Yes or Yes. I did buy this in store in a shop called HMV in the UK. And it was the last version of Yes or Yes I needed. And also I need some photo cards since I'm collecting two other members. So I pulled a Zooey CD plate. This is up to trade for Jihyo and Daeyeon, or Chaeyoung, because I haven't got one of hers yet. But CD plates are not a huge priority. And then for photo cards, for this thing, I already have 3 of the same of this thing. So I will, I would like to trade it to any of the others. I think there's only 3. So photo card wise, I was only kind of lucky with one. So I pulled this Jihyo. And the rest are Jonghyun, Sana, Zooey and Chaeyoung. Since I already have Chaeyoung's full set, these are all up for trade. But I think I might be collecting this OT9 set, so maybe not Sana. So these 3 are up for trade to Jihyo or Daeyeon. And that is kind of everything I have for this clip, which is really short clip. But this photo book is my favourite photo book out of all of the Yes or Yes photo books. But Daeyeon's fringe, why did they do this to her? This is my favourite cover as well. But yes, thank you for watching this clip, and this video is going to be so out of order. I'm going to have a new clip and then an old clip and then maybe this clip after. I don't know what I'm doing, it's going to be so out of orders. Sorry about that.